In this video, I'm going to show you how to incorporate drainage into your concrete patio or walkway so you don't end up with water pooling and causing damage over time. Alright, first off, when you're planning your concrete patio or walkway, you got to think about the slope. You want at least a 1/4-inch drop for every foot away from your house or any structure, so water naturally flows away instead of hanging around. Next, consider installing a French drain along the edges. It's basically a trench filled with gravel and a perforated pipe that helps redirect water underground. If digging a trench sounds too much, you can also use surface drains, those little grates that catch water before it pools up. Another cool trick is to mix in some porous concrete or permeable pavers that let water seep through to the ground below instead of running off. Don't forget to seal your concrete properly. Sealing keeps water out of cracks and prevents erosion underneath. Also, keep gutters and downspouts directed away from your patio or walkway, because all that water dumping nearby defeats your drainage efforts. Finally, regular maintenance is key. Clean out any debris from drains and check for cracks or low spots where water might collect. One of the biggest mistakes people make is not sloping their patio or walkway correctly, which causes standing water and eventually cracks or mold growth. Another common issue is ignoring the importance of proper drainage systems like French drains or surface drains. Without them, heavy rains can wreck your hard work. Lastly, a lot of folks skip sealing their concrete, thinking it's not necessary, but that leaves the surface vulnerable to water damage and stains that are a pain to fix later on. Fixing these is usually just a matter of regrading the area, adding drainage solutions, and sealing the surface well. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome because it hooks you up with trusted local contractors who really know their stuff about drainage and concrete work. Plus, if you're a contractor looking for work, it's a solid platform to get connected with homeowners ready to start their projects right away.